Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find crypto airdrops. So to find crypto airdrops, they're pretty simple. So this will be a really quick video. So the first place I would look is my central exchange, or otherwise known as your CEX. So here in your CEX, they will list good airdrops too. So you'll find them in the new listing section right here. I usually do this myself. So here we have a pre-market airdrop that is called usual. So it's trading usual and USDT. So as you can see, its price is 0.23.50 as of the moment we are speaking. It has a good volume and good lows and highs right here, pretty good. And it's relatively new right now. As you can see, when it launches, a crypto airdrop launches, it tends to spike up right here when it's listed on really big exchanges. That's why I use big exchanges for such, like those in the past days. So there have been new listings right here. You can look for airdrops. They usually are announced right here. So next I would go in my browser and I will go to airdrops.io. So this is the second place I would look personally for crypto airdrops. So you have Pipe Network, OKX Racer, Minecow, Base, Wattcoin, Nudge, Duckchain, Tonhedge, and a lot of others. You can check out the latest airdrops right here. And of course, you will have to do some requirements and some research on the airdrops that you do. I'm only teaching you how to find the crypto airdrops. Doing your own research is another thing. So basically, this concludes the video on how you find crypto airdrops, and stay safe always.